Hi all, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use Wireshark to capture Tomcat server credentials. By default, Wireshark is pre-installed in Kali Linux, and we will use the Tomcat application, which is pre-installed on the Metasploitable server. The URL for the Tomcat application is the following URL: http://192.168.4.3.154:8180/admin/index.jsp. Let's get started. What is Wireshark? Wireshark is a powerful network protocol analyzer that lets you capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. It's widely used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software and protocol development, and education. First, we will open Wireshark by following these steps. 1. Click on the Kali Linux icon located in the top left corner. 2. In the search box, type Wireshark and click on the Wireshark application. 3. Select the ETH0 interface. For you, it might be a different interface, but most of the time, it's ETH0 by default. 4. Click on the Start button. Next, we are going to open the Tomcat login application by following these steps. 1. Open Firefox browser. 2. Enter the following URL: http://192.168.43.154.8180/admin/index.jsp. 3. Enter the username as Tomcat. 4. Enter the password as Tomcat. 5. Click on the Login button. Now, we are going to capture the network activity using Wireshark. Follow these steps. 1. Click the Stop button in the Wireshark application. 2. In the search box, type the following filter to capture only the HTTP traffic: HTTP request, method, check, post, and hit Enter. 3. Click on HTTP under the protocol column. 4. Click to expand the HTML form URL encoded section, and the login credentials will be displayed. And that's it! You've successfully captured Tomcat server credentials using Wireshark on Kali Linux. This technique can be crucial for understanding network security and analyzing traffic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Happy capturing!